Here, we're done trampoline park.
No, I do that totally part then.
Here in our trampoline. Yep. Stretch your back, please.
Where are my tools?
Here under. Stretch your back. Back. Oh, Jelana, ah. Underneath. Underneath. Let me push the thingy. Oh, your head. Be careful.
Okay, Mom. You put it. Now you put it.
There you go. Be careful. I said be careful.
I'll be careful.
Okay, let's go to trampoline now.
Baby, Charan. Charan. Pamilya, Charan.
Do you wanna go grab that thingy? Clean up your grass?
I watch and I do this. No, Mom. Pelican.
Hello, Mikay. Kumusta na sa'yo? Oh, yeah. That's a good idea. Anong balita sa'yo, Mikay? Okay, I'll sit here.
Oh, no.
May bago kang baby, Mikay? Ilan taon na yung baby mo? Oh, you got two. Ayos lang. May ilang taon na yung baby mo? Oh, 4 years old. Kala ko, babe, kapapanganak mo lang. Kala ko may baby ka. Oh, be careful.
I do that thing.
Again.
Ready, set.
Kala ko kaka-baby, kapapanganak mo lang. Wow, wow. Tell Daddy, exercise. Dad, you want exercise? No, ask Daddy if he wants to exercise. See, he's sitting down. Oo, mahirap na nga eh. Mahirap. Yeah, bata ka pa naman eh. Kung baka kaya mo pa. You're gonna hurt. Bata ka pa naman, kaya pa yan. Basta ano, maalagaan lang eh, no? Oh. Ay, oo, masakit nga. Sinabi mo. Oo. Sa kawawa yung katawan ng babae minsan. Basta may anak ka na, importante yan. Chuchu. Cha-cha. Basta may nagkaanak ka na, yun ang importante. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo. Oo. Ay, isa lang ba baby mo? Kala ko tatlo or something. Jelana, what are you doing? Trampoline park now.